Hello beautiful people, my name is Nancy. I'm somewhere in Nairobi and I want to take you around Nairobi along Kenyatta, is it Kenyatta Road? Um, um, so I decided to take you along with me because I have decided to take a walk and show you how green Nairobi is. This part of Nairobi is very beautiful with so many trees. And I'm approaching Serena Hotel, so as I can join Kenyatta Road to my as I go to the city center. And this is how this place is looking like. Nairobi is quite beautiful. This part of Nairobi is so serene, guys. So from this side you can see how it is, and let me show you on the other side. This is how it is when I turn. It is so beautiful with so many trees. You cannot even think it is within the city. It is not far away from the city. It's just approximately like 5 meters. I mean, not 5 meters, 5 minutes or 10 minutes drive from where I am to Nairobi city center. And you can imagine this is how it is looking. Beautiful place, magnificent, guys. So let me walk along with you, together with you, as I show you around and share this video with you guys. So this is how it is, Nairobi city. I don't know the exact name of this place, but it is along Serena Hotel as you go straight ahead from Serena Hotel where it is located. Yeah, this is how it looks. Amazing, guys. Isn't it looking so amazing? The roads are clean and so many trees. Let me show you from this other side. And there are beautiful courts like Ambassador Court. Is it Victoria Court? There is another court that I have seen along this road. Look at that tree, guys. So huge. Somebody along this road is doing farming, you can see. And I don't think this water which is running downstream here, it is very clean. It smells like sewage, so I don't trust it so much with that kind of, yeah, it is not very clean water for farming. There was a flower garden here, or nursery. Somebody abandoned it and he had really made a lot of beautiful things here. Yeah, you can see this is along the road. As I approach, you can see I'm just near the city center, but haven't reached there. I have to take another matatu to the city center. So I'm just walking along the road. I decided to take a walk and it's very, very beautiful. I like taking walks so as I can have this enjoyment of the nature, because nature is my thing. And we have to respect the nature, because without nature this world will not be what it is, and we will not enjoy living without having this beautiful nature around us. So we must respect nature and love nature. It is what it has. It is who we are, the nature. So Liberty House. And there are beautiful walkways. You don't have to walk on rough roads here. There are walkways. So just straight ahead of me, there is Serena Hotel.